Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Welcome to my channel. So I'll be teaching you how to make this simple free top. Just very simple. 2 years of Ankara, you can do something like this. Very free to wear. Very simple and very fast to make. So if you're a beginner, you can do it. In fact, it's very simple. So you don't have much things to do. You just need your thread to sew it. Just 2 years of fabric, your thread, and maybe if you want anything to use and beautify it, that's just it. So this is me trying to show you another pattern you can do it. You can use beds to hold it if you want to have a little bit fittings from it. So thank you. Let's get started. This is 2 years of fabric. You fold it into two. See, you fold it. This is 2 years now. Then you fold it from the edge part. You understand? You fold it, then you fold it back again. So that is 4 pieces now. You're folding it 4 pieces, and the side that is facing me is closed. It does not have open. Then if you check this other edge part, is also closed. You understand? So you start with your neck measurements. Here, sorry, my camera was not capturing this side. I use 3.5 as the width. Then down, I use 1.5 for the back, and I use 4 inches for the front. Do you understand? The back neckline, I use 3.5 width, 1.5 depth. Then the back, I use 3.5 width and 4 inches depth. That's what I use. Then here is the sleeve part. Please, I do not put any shoulder slope. So that's what I'm trying to explain here. It's close. I do not put shoulder slope. So you just go a measure 12 inches because it has to be a free hand. So 12 inches is very okay for me. It was 40. It's in fact it's okay, it can even work for people that are bigger than me. Then I also come down for 12 inches. And I'm just going to make a straight line. That's to enable me get my bust measurement. That's why I'm doing this line. Because that is where I'm going to curve my armpit after getting my bust measurement. So my bust is 40 inches and divided by 4 is 10 inches. So I'll measure my 10 inches, then I'll add 3 inches allowance. That's make it free, but you can use more than that if it's what you want. You can even use like 2 inches if it's what you want. But me, I use 3 inches for free, including the easy. Everything I just use 3 inches altogether 13. Then you come to the edge, you come to the edge where the fabric started. That's the part I marked the neckline. So this is me. I'm trying to see the length I have there. So all the length I had was 33 inches. So I used the full length. That's what I'm trying to show you there. I used the full length of the material. So you come to this edge now. This part you mark the neckline, you start getting your length. I don't know the desired length you want, so you just use your own length. But me, total in these 2 years, what I have was 32 inches, and I used everything. So you just be putting your table here, then use it to get the 32 inches around till where that part ended. Then you then mark it. After marking it now, you come back to that armhole side and swatch. So let's say you have to take a kind of slant line. You can use your ruler, slant line from where that your measurement stop. You take that slant line to that your armpit, then you curve it. Yeah, I think I have to do it but so you curve it, you just come out by 1.5 inches. You can even do 2 inches, but please don't allow it to be that V part because it's not going to relax after sewing it. So you just come out like 1.5 inches, then you curve it, then start cutting from the neckline, the back neckline. You don't cut the front first. That's what I'm trying to show you. You cut the back later. I'm cutting them together. They are together. I did not open this fabric, you understand? So you cut the back neckline first. That back neckline first, then you then cut the down, cut the side. After cutting the side, then you open the fabric, arrange it well in a way that the front will be on its own, the back will be on its own, so that you can now cut the front neckline. That way, you will not cut the two. Do you understand what I mean? So you get a notch here. This notch is to enable you know where the shoulder is. This one is to enable you know where the center of the neckline is. All those notch is going to help you when you're going to open this fabric in order to get the design line. Okay, so here I come down by 4 inches. So this 4 inches can come down by 3, can come down by even 4.5, just to enable your neck pass freely. Do you understand? So you enable your neck come down freely. So now I'm trying to open it. I'm trying to open everything. So those notch now you had is now that are going to help you do the magic. The notches you had will help you do magics here now. Okay, it was trying to waste my time, so I have to go off the camera and arrange it well. Now you see the way I arrange it, sleeve is facing sleeve, front is facing just like this. The way I arrange it now, so that I can cut out this front neckline. I do not touch the back. Then I'm going to fold another pieces because I use facing. But if you're using like bias to turn your own, then you can just go ahead and turn. But me, I prefer using facing, but it makes work neater. So you just fold little pieces like this, then you arrange that your neckline and paste it, and make sure that what is coming out from the back should at least be up to 3 inches. You understand? After cutting out your neckline from the back side, you should get at least 3 inches left that you use and turn the neckline. So now this is me. I'm trying to trace that neckline with these small pieces. You understand? After tracing this neckline now, then I will now open that front slit. I didn't open it that time because sometimes to get the straight line after cutting is difficult, except you're going to iron it first. But if you don't have light or your iron is not on, this way is the best way. So to enable you get the same measurements with both of them. Hope you understand. So now I've removed the main fabric. This is the facing I'm trying to cut now. So I'm going to cut three. I'm going to mark 3 inches around. And also note that the 3 inches that I'm going to mark for the front we start after the slit. I wanted to mark here, but I said no need, let me just mark this one and then cross it. But you can mark round just the way you want. But for this front, the 3 inches is going to start where the slit stop. Hope you understand. Where the front slit stop is where the 3 inches for the front will start. Then you cut it out. Yeah, after cutting it out, then you have to use this facing and turn the main top. You have to use this facing. This facing now is for the front and the back. You see the way I cut it, I did not open anyway. John, I hope you understand everything. It's very, very simple. You just follow my method. You are going to get that same result I got. You open the fabric now. Open the fabric now. Then you use this that facing now. Base front facing front. That is right side of the fabric facing right side of the fabric. Hope you understand. So then that side that have slit will meet the side that has slit. Those notches you gave is going to do their works now. So the side that have slit is going to face the side that have slit, and it's front facing front. So it's after turning. That is, you go to your machine now. After arranging it like this, you can pin it down so that you don't have issue. After pinning it down, you start from this neckline and you sew it round till the other slit. Then you double stitch. You double stitch. After double stitching, you now sew that straight place. You sew that straight place. After turning it, after turning that straight place, then you flip it over. After flipping it over, this is how it will look like. So this is how the back is. So I put a light interface on my own and I fold the edges because I'll use hemming gum to iron it down on my dress. That's why I did it like that. So the next thing you're going to do is to fold this sleeve. This is the sleeve. I'm trying to explain here. You fold the two sleeve. Very, very simple. You just fold that sleeve. You understand? The two part of the sleeve. Fold it down and fold the other side. I wanted to show you how to fold it here, but I don't even know that the thing was too far like this. So, but just sew it straight and sew the other side straight, and then you can now iron. Iron both the neckline and that sleeve you folded, just iron so that everything will sleep, everything will be very relaxed to enable you close it faster. So after that, you now arrange your fabric just the way I'm doing my own. Then you sew with half inch. You can sew with 1 inch. Anyone that is okay for you. It's a free top. So you sew it down. Can sew with 1 inch all through the down. Then you sew the other part as well. After sewing, this is how it will look like. I'm trying to turn it so that you see what we have gotten so far. What is left here now is folding the down part. It's folding the down part that is remaining now. So I'm trying to show you how it looks like. See the neck is relaxing because I have ironed it. I also ironed the sleeve before running that stitch. Then the next thing you're going to do is to fold the down part. Okay, there's two ways of folding flare, abi three ways sef. Number one, you can do English weaving around the flare. Then after doing the English weave, just fold it once. Then number two, you can fold it little like this first. And you can fold it just the way I did. If you're professional, you can do this one very simple, fold it round. But if it's difficult for you, then take lace to fold first, round. After doing that one, you come back, take small again and fold round. And this is the end of the whole thing. This is the end result. This is how the work comes at the end. Hope you like it. Please do well to subscribe. Join the family. See you in my next one.